Programming languages security. Language has been our primary mean of communication and human interaction for thousands of years. Programming language is a computer language programmers use to develop software programs, scripts, or other sets of instructions for computers to execute. C and C++ are critical low-level programming languages. C and C++ access to low-level IT infrastructure such as RAM and system processes, which if not well protected, hackers can easily exploit. C programming language is the backbone of most operating systems. C programming language is a lean, flexible, and efficient language that can be used to complete a wide range of tasks such as cryptography, image processing, and socket networking. C++ is regarded as C's big brother. C++ is a fantastic language that is largely based on C's source code. There are several cybersecurity programs created using C++. For example, Nmap, the network mapper tool, is created using C++. Personal Home Page, PHP, language is designed as a scripting language specifically for rapid development of database-driven web pages with quick and convenient database access. PHP is written in C, so it can inherit the security vulnerabilities from an insecure implementation of its parent language. Ada language designed for military, avionics, and real-time systems, was designed with an emphasis on safety and security. Safety and security required by the types of software programs set high standards for the Ada language. Java is another language that is designed with security built in. Security aspects of a programming language are: safe typing, safe pointers, safe architecture, safe paradigm implementation, safe object construction, memory management, garbage collection, invalid access protections, safe and managed error and exception handling, safe startup, safe communication, safe concurrency, deadlock detection and resolution, security patterns and frameworks, secure execution environment, developers' security expertise.